You have felt this before. A bag of chips feels a little emptier than it used to, but the price on the shelf didn't move. That's shrinkflation, and nobody tracks it publicly. So I built something that does. This is ShrinkRadar. It scraps real product listings, compares today's price per unit against the very first time we tracked each product, and ranks brands by a shrink score. Worst offenders at the top. It works for everyday consumer products and for B2B wholesale pricing too. Clicking into a brand shows the full receipt, baseline versus current price and pack size, product by product. Every scrap is also viewable as raw JSON right in the app, not just buried in a repo. And this health panel shows both collectors' live status, last run, record counts, data quality, with a manual heal trigger built right in. Under the hood, Next.js SQLite and two Bright Data Scraper Studio collectors, one pointed at Zepto for consumer data and one at IndiaMART for B2B listings. Both use the exact same plain language field description, which is product name, price, pack size, product URL, with zero handwritten selectors, proving one extraction approach generalizes across completely different site structures. My app triggers both collectors at runtime through Bright Data REST API, not the CLI. CLI is only for the development, which I've used. Now, this next part is not staged. While building this, my Zepto collector started drilling into individual product pages instead of reading the search results directly. It returned empty data for some products, broken nested objects for others, and eventually hit a captcha from visiting too many pages. Here's the actual fix. I described the problem in plain language to be data scrapper healing, reviewed the proposed fix, approved it, and reran the exact same collector ID. No code changes on my end. Bright Data repaired its own extraction logic. One scrapping approach, two completely different platforms, and a real recovery from a real break. That's Shrink Data.